Learn how to enhance your photos using popular editing apps like Snapseed, Lightroom, and VSCO to create stunning, professional-quality images. Choose your photo editing app. Pick an app based on your needs. Snapseed is perfect for detailed edits, Lightroom offers advanced color correction, and VSCO has creative filters. Download your preferred app to get started. Adjust brightness, contrast, and exposure. Open your image in the app and adjust the basic settings first. Use the brightness to lighten or darken your photo, contrast to make colors pop, and exposure to control the overall lighting. This step is key to making your picture stand out. Enhance colors. In Lightroom, use the color grading tool to fine-tune specific colors. In Snapseed, use Selective Adjust to edit particular areas of your photo. VSCO offers stylish filters that give your photos a unique look. Play with saturation, vibrance, and temperature to make your colors more vivid, 15 to 20 seconds. Add sharpness and clarity. Increase the sharpness to make details crisper and clearer. In apps like Lightroom, the Clarity tool helps bring out textures and make the image more defined, while Snapseed's Details feature refines the image's crispness. Crop and frame the image. Cropping can help focus attention on the subject and remove distractions. Use the rule of thirds or other composition guides to position your subject in the most visually appealing way. Most apps include an auto-crop feature that suggests the best composition, 10 to 15 seconds. Save in high quality. After editing, save your photo in the highest resolution possible to maintain quality, especially if you plan to print or share on social media. Most apps allow you to choose the resolution before saving. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.